Here we are, we're on day 14. How did you get on? We have had an amazing 2 weeks, and I really hope that you've had an amazing 2 weeks. I've been live every day on my Facebook and YouTube channels, getting check-ins, meeting lots of you, hearing all your comments, and really hoping that you've embraced this whole challenge and it's set you up for success. So wherever you were on your menopause journey at the beginning of the 2 weeks, how are you feeling now? Good time to reflect. Did you manage to do the workouts? Maybe you not managed to do all of them, or maybe you did. Maybe you did a few. Maybe this has been the kickstart that you needed to put your health and priority at the top of your to-do list, because that is going to really help you manage your menopausal symptoms, whether you are perimenopausal or whether you're in the throes of menopause, or maybe you're clear and it's way in the rear view mirror, wherever you are. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you feel good mentally and physically. This is a journey that we are all on forever. It's not just 2 weeks. And I really hope for everybody watching that this is something that you will continue, that you can see the benefit from building your morning routine, or if you're a shift worker, or there's the time in the day that you can carve out 20 minutes to do your own workout, no matter how busy you are, how fit you are, or wherever you are on your fitness journey. It's so important as we are in our menopause to take this part of our health and fitness so seriously. It really is, so that you are actively strengthening your bones, increasing your muscle mass, working your cardiovascular system. This is going to be your health insurance for the next 40, 50 years. If we think now we are only halfway through, we've got so much life to live, so many things to do, so many goals to achieve. It's just the beginning, and I just hope this has made you realize that really just being a little bit more organized and having that planning and having a framework and a coach, somebody here every day to go, come on, you can do this. And also a whole bunch of hundreds of other women around the world who are all doing the same journey. I think it's just so powerful, and we can move mountains. We really can. So please let me know in the comments. I want to know, have you enjoyed it? Number one. Where are you going to go from here? Are you going to continue on? Join the MenoFit program. My Menopause Health and Fitness program is coming next. 14 days. So if you have enjoyed what you have done with me so far, but you want to go a little bit deeper, the workouts again will be completely different, but again, always geared at the menopause body. So knee friendly, joint friendly, pelvic floor friendly. They're designed to strengthen, balance your hormones, and improve not just your physical fitness, but also your mental fitness. It's just incredible how exercising every day, just the impact it has on you mentally, is phenomenal. But we're going to go a little bit deeper into being in a calorie deficit, really ironing out those healthy habits. We're going to look at maybe doing some tracking for some of you that want some weight loss. We'll look at what are you actually buying in the supermarket, food shopping, and of course with the cost of living crisis, how can we eat really healthily on a budget? So we're going to make friends with Aldi and Lidl I'm sure you're already shopping there anyway. Habit stacking, there'll be daily prompts, so not just the workout and the video every day. You'll also have a written guide that you can download to your phone or screenshot that will just give you a prompt through the day. We're going to go a little bit deeper into stress management as well, which is very key, especially as the hormones are all over the place, and we can be really affected by emotional eating. And stressful eating can have such a big impact on your nutrition, and how can we maybe change our habits a little bit around that. So you've already done 2 weeks, you've done the prelim, and I would love you to join me on the next part of the journey. So thank you so much. Keep following my YouTube channel, because I'm always putting so much free content out there for everybody. But if you want to go a little bit deeper and you need more of a framework and a bit more coaching, then come and join me in the next program. I'd love to work with you, I really would. You'll also notice, for those of you who want to get back into gym training, I've done a whole series on YouTube around exercises to do in the gym, machine training. I've done upper body and lower body, I'm doing glutes, I'll do some free works. So if you do fancy mixing it up and going to the gym and you're not quite sure what to do, then check out those videos, and I'll link to them here, so that you can check them out. And also, tell your friends. If you've got menopausal female friends, get them involved. Let's help everybody become fitter, healthier, happier, leaner, and just smash all those goals. Thank you so much for being part of this fabulous challenge. It's been wonderful to meet you. I'm Rachel Holmes, and I really hope that I will be continuing with you on your health and fitness journey. Mwah. See you soon, and I'll hopefully see you on the MenoFit program.